First problem, find the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines x plus 2y is equal to 0, 4x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Find the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the given lines. So first we take the triangle here. The sides are given as, first side is x plus 2y is equal to 0 and the second one 4x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 and the third side is 3x plus y is equal to 0. Now here we put the letters ABC as the vertices. Orthocenter means this is nothing but the point of intersection of the altitudes is taken as the orthocenter. That is, to find the orthocenter, first we want the altitude equations. This is AD, this is BE. Here AD comma BE are the altitudes. Altitudes means perpendicular lines. This is the perpendicular line of BC and BA is the perpendicular line of CA. We want to find the AD equation and BE equation. After that we take the point of intersection of these two lines, which is the orthocenter. To find the equations of AD and BE, first we want the vertices A comma B. So first I find the vertices A comma B. Here what is A? A is nothing but the point of intersection of these two lines and B is nothing but the point of intersection of these two lines. So first we find the point of intersections. It is enough to find these two point of intersections. So first writing the given lines. Given lines are x plus 2y is equal to 0, 4x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, 3x plus y equal to 0. Taking equations 1, 2, 3. First we take the point of intersection of 1, 2. A is equals to point of intersection of 1 and 2. Now taking the second and first lines here. First line is x plus 2y is equal to 0 and the second line is 4x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. So first we write the middle values, which are 2 comma 3. Next taking the constants, which are 0 comma minus 5 and taking the x quotients, which are 1 comma 4, again y quotients, that is 2 comma 3 and taking xy1 here. So x by 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 0 is equals to y by 0 into 4, 0 minus 1 into minus 5 minus 5 minus of minus plus 5 is equals to 1 by 3 into 1, 3 minus 4 into 2, 8. So this is equals to x by minus 10 equals to y by 5 is equals to 1 by minus 5. X by minus 10 is equals to 1 by minus 5 and y by 5 is equals to 1 by minus 5. So x is equals to minus 10 by minus 5 and y is equals to 5 by minus 5. Therefore x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 5. Therefore a is equals to 2 comma minus 1. Next b is equals to point of intersection of 1 and 3. Now what are the equations 1, 3? First equation is x plus 2y is equal to 0 and the third equation is 3x plus y equal to 0. Clearly these two equations have no constant, therefore point of intersection is equal to 0 comma 0. Since there is no constants in this equation, so we take the point of intersection is 0 comma 0. A is equal to 2 comma minus 1, B is equal to 0 comma 0. Now we want the AD equation. What is AD here? This is nothing but the perpendicular equation of BC. So what is the equation of AD? Bx minus AB plus k equal to 0. Equation of BC is 3x plus y is equal to. Now equation of AD means this is nothing but the perpendicular equation of BC. That is, to find this equation we use the formula bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. What are AB values? A is equals to 3, B is equal to 1. That is bx 1 into x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. Get the k value, we substitute this point in this equation. Put x comma y is equals to 2 comma minus 1. That is 2 plus 3 plus k equal to 0. Then the value of k is equals to minus 5. Therefore equation of AD is x minus 3 by minus 5 equal to 0. This is equation of AD. Next we want the BE equation. So BE is perpendicular to AC. So first we take AC equation here. Equation of AC is 4x plus 3 by minus 5 equal to 0. Now what is equation of BE? Equation of BE means this is perpendicular to this line. That is Again we take the same formula bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. But what are a comma b values? A is equals to 4, b is equal to 3. That is 3x minus 4y plus k equal to 0. But the line BE passes through the point 0, 0. So we substitute that point here. That is 3 into 0 minus 4 into 0 plus k equal to 0, which implies k equal to 0. For equation of BE is 3x minus 4y equal to 0. Here k equal to 0, then it becomes 3x minus 4y equal to 0. This is 4, this is 5. Now taking the point of intersection of these two lines to get the orthocenter. Point of intersection of 4 and 5. Here fourth equation is x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. And the fifth equation is 3x minus 4y equal to 0. First we write the middle values minus 3 minus 4. Next constants minus 5 comma 0. Next x value is 1 comma 3. Again middle values which are minus 3 minus 4. And here we put x by 1. X by minus 3 into 0. 0 minus 5 into minus 4. 20 is equals to y by minus 5 into 3. Minus 15 minus 0 into 1. 0 is equals to 1 by 1 into minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 into minus 3, minus 9, minus of minus, plus 9. That is x by minus 20 is equals to y by minus 15 is equals to 1 by 5. Therefore, x by minus 20 is equals to 1 by 5 and y by minus 15 is equals to 1 by 5. So, x is equals to minus 20 by 5 and y is equals to minus 15 by 5. Therefore, orthocenter is equals to minus 20 by 5 equals to minus 4, minus 15 by 5 equals to minus 3. Or orthocenter is equals to minus 4 comma minus 3. That's all. Next problem, if theta is the angle between the lines x by a plus y by b is equals to 1 and x by b plus y by a is equal to 1, then find the value of sin theta when a greater than b. So find the value of sin theta. We want sin theta value. So first we write the given lines here. Given lines are, the first line is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1 and the second line is x by b plus y by a is equals to 1. Now here first we take LCM. Here AB is the LCM. First value bx and the next value ay is equals to 1. Here also taking AB LCM, ax plus by is equals to 1. That is bx plus ay is equals to AB and ax plus by is equals to ab, which implies bx plus ay minus ab equal to 0 and ax plus by minus ab equal to 0. Now to find the angle, first we compare these two lines with the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, and we take the values a1, b1, a2, b2. So what is a1 value? a1 is equals to b. And what is b1 value? b1 is equals to a. Next, what is a2 value? a2 is equals to a and b2 is equals to b. Now substituting these two values in the formula, we want the value of sin theta. Already we know one formula to find the angle between the lines, that is cos theta is equals to mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square. This is the formula for finding the angle between the lines. Now first we find the value of cos theta. So substituting the values a1 a2, b into a plus b1 b2, a into b by square root of a1 square plus b1 square, that is b square plus a square into a2 square plus b2 square, that is a square plus b square. Therefore cos theta is equals to ab plus ab, 2ab by square root of a square plus b square into square root of a square plus b square, that is a square plus b square. This is the value of cos theta, but we want the value of sin theta. So we take the formula sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, and we substitute the value here 1 minus cos square theta, that is 2ab by a square plus b square whole square, which is equals to 1 minus 2ab whole square by a square plus b square whole square. Taking the LCM here, 1 into a square plus b square whole square, that is a square plus b square whole square minus this is 4a square b square. Now taking the expansion, a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2a square b square minus 4a square b square by a square plus b square whole square, and this is equals to a power 4 plus b power 4 2a square b square minus 4a square b square minus 2a square b square by a square plus b square whole square. Therefore the value of sine square theta is equals to, this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is a minus b whole square, which is a square minus b square whole square by a square plus b square whole square. That is equals to a square minus b square by a square plus b square whole square. Therefore the value of sine theta is equals to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. That's all. That is the answer.